Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make these really cute cotton candy shapes or designs. And the first one we're going to be starting off is with the most basic, and I think everyone knows, the Phantom. And then we're going to move on to a King Phantom, which is really cool. So you're going to first off pick any cone except for the gold one or the star one. So I'm going to go with the white one. And then the first color you're going to choose is the black because of the bottom of the Phantom. With the cloud fluff balls. Okay. And then the white will resemble the eye of the Phantom. And then another black to top off its head. And first it's going to look like just a regular cotton candy. But then when you exit and go to here, it turns into a Phantom, which I think is really neat. I mean, just look how cool I look. And it looks like some other people have already found these out. Rainbow, star, yeah. Now, if we choose, you can't choose any other cone except you can only choose the gold one as gold tints with stars. And then you're going to do the same recipe for the regular Phantom. Black, white, and then black again. So it's basically just another Phantom, but with a gold cone. I mean a gold cone. And then you will notice that this time the Phantom has like more legs and looks more like a cloud and looks very angry with a little crown at the top, which I think is so cute. So now you must pick the white cone, nothing else, and then first you're going to choose white, orange, and yellow. So, yep. And then orangey. This is the cutest one ever in my opinion. I mean, look at this cute little paw with its little nails. OMG, I love this combination. Okay, so now to make the heart cotton candy, which was shown already, but we're going to show you. I'm going to show you again. So, well, I didn't show it exactly. Well, you guys saw how it looks like, but I hope you don't know how to make it. Okay, so besides all of them, you're just going to choose the heart one. This is the only way it's able to be made. And then you're going to choose pink one time, and then after that another time and 3 times. So basically you're just making a regular pink cotton candy with a heart cone, and it should make, and I'm lagging. Okay, one more time. And done. Looks pretty cool. And then after you get the cutest heart one, you know what, I'm not sure the heart or the paw. They're both adorable. You know what, I might be wrong. There are so many cool combinations. This one is very similar. You're going to choose the gold cone, and it's very similar to the heart one, except all of it's going to be yellow. And another yellow. And another. And that should get you to the star cotton candy. Let's see, and yep, here we go. It looks like a giant sugar cookie to me, which cotton candy is basically sugar. So yeah, OMG, look at everyone just lining up over here. Wow. Okay, so now you're gonna get the blue lightning cone, and you're first gonna choose blue to make the rainbow. And once you get all your blue, you're going to put some yellow. And then after, you're going to put pink, which is supposed to resemble like red. And you probably saw this throughout everyone making it. It's like, oh, this one is so cool. Because it makes like a multiple color one. Oh, it's just like really cool. I love this one. Yummy. Okay. And then as you can see, this panda over here has the same one. And some other people over here, I think this is a very popular one. Yep, look at everyone, they all have this rainbow one. It's definitely a really cool one to have. And you know what? It's really cool. So lightning cone, And then you're gonna choose, I don't know, Gianna. OMG. Okay, I'm so sorry, but the first color you choose is white, and then you're gonna choose blue, and then the last color is gonna be another fluffy clouded white, which it's cool. And then you should get a moon. Okay, and yep, you get a moon, which is really, really cool. I mean, this person over here has a sun. Let's just be opposites. Like yin and yang. Yes, this is so cool. Okay, next is, of course, now we're going to make the sun. Which, another very simple one, which you're going to choose the golden cone. And yellow, orange, and another orange. And then you should get a sun cotton candy, and someone's at my den. And okay, look how bright this thing is. It's like beaming with brightness. Who's at my den? Okay, let's just check really quick. Can I like get out of this situation, please? I don't know you. Okay, I'm sorry, but I don't know you, and I have to get back to my video. Okay. So now that we got our sun, I know what we're gonna make next. Okay. This is what we're making next. And something's wrong with my, some lightning cone, some blue, yellow, and pink. And you guys might be, you already reviewed this. Well, yes, I did. Thanks for noticing. Because I am sticking with the rainbow cotton candy for the day. It's so vibrant. It's really cool, and I love it. So, yep, I hope you guys enjoyed. And of course, I did not actually think or actually did the work into putting in it. I was using the fandom, Animal Jam Wiki, to look up the recipes, which is very accurate. So yeah, see you guys another time.